Such a beautiful evening for us to watch a movie, isn't it, Winnie? Yep, it most definitely is, Woody. Yeah. I wonder what movie we should watch. Yeah. I have the perfect movie that we can both watch. Wait, really? What is it? Why don't we watch the Grease Special Edition on VHS? Wow, that's a great idea, Winnie. Yeah. Grease is definitely the best musical movie ever in the 70s. Yeah, I couldn't agree with you more. Alright then, let's go ahead and watch the movie. Don't watch it. Wait, what? Who said that? Just don't watch it. It has that scary THX logo in it. If it's scary, just trust me. Oh my gosh, there's a ghost in the chair! And you're telling us not to watch this movie because there's a scary THX logo in it? Just watch it and see it for yourselves. Okay. Let me just check out this VHS really quick. Just put the VHS in the VCR and just watch it. Okay, fine. Yeah, you don't have to be all hasty about it. Just play the VHS already. Yeah, jeez. Seems like we have to do everything around here, huh, Woody? Yeah, I agree with you, Winnie. This is getting ridiculous. Like, seriously, what could a simple THX logo do to us? Yeah, exactly. Anyway, let's just play this movie already. Yeah, good idea.
Coming to theaters.
All right, here come the previews. What?
The Great Plains of Africa.
Whoa, what's this movie?
A land where nature is free to
I have no idea, Woody.
in all its beauty.
Looks like a really awesome movie.
Its majesty.
Yeah. Wait a second, this looks familiar.
That is so wrong.
Oh my gosh, it's the wild thornberries. Oh my gosh, now I remember. I remember watching them as a little kid.
Yeah, you get used to it.
Something
Here, let me just turn on the volume because it's getting kind of loud. But anyways, I love this movie. Oh my gosh. I even love the TV series. So do I.
That is not even the half of it. Please.
And something unexpected.
Here, come on, Winnie. Let's go cuddle up on the couch.
is coming.
Great idea, Woody.
Battle stations, everybody.
Paramount Pictures and Nickelodeon Movies present an epic adventure that will take you to the ends of the earth.
Oh my gosh, this is definitely the best Nickelodeon movie. Wouldn't you say, Woody? I couldn't agree with you more, Winnie.
The Wild Thornberrys movie.
This is no time for the wedgie dance. Wow.
Now available on video cassette and DVD.
Alright, let's see what we got next.
Resist the ordinary and embrace the wow.
We've got ourselves a bogey.
What is this movie?
Anticipate visual contact now. Holy
Hi, nice cheeks. Gonna blast.
It's Jimmy Neutron! Yeah! Oh my gosh, I love that show. So do I, Woody.
My latest invention,
He's light years ahead of the pack.
the shrink ray. Will it work on your big head?
Is it just me, or does Jimmy Neutron's teacher kind of sound like Miss Minnie? You know, you're kind of right. She does sound like her. Yeah.
James Isaac Neutron. I didn't do it. Oh, stop, drop, and roll. Okay, Jimmy, that's the last straw.
Mom said you got it.
Maybe I should check on him.
No, I don't. Freeze that image.
Oh my gosh, this is almost like the time I went to jail. Wait, you went to jail? Yeah, it's a long story. It was all because I wanted to watch the Healing Games. Oh, Woody, I feel bad for you. Yeah, my TV wasn't really working, so I had to use Wally's TV. But then I got arrested for it. But it's been like years, so it's kind of hard to remember what happened. Yeah, I'm just glad you broke out. Yeah.
Whatever's left of me is kicking your butt. Here we go.
From Paramount Pictures and Nickelodeon Movies.
Come on, everyone.
This year, get ready to blast.
You may be small, but I've got a big brain. You know, for a nerd, he sure comes in handy.
Jimmy Neutron, boy genius.
I didn't think we liked girls yet, Jim.
Oh, we don't, no. Okay, not yet, no.
Now on video and DVD.
Godard is so cute.
SpongeBob's got
I agree.
video and DVD.
Oh, there's SpongeBob. Yeah.
So there's something to see.
His body is yellow and his pants are brown.
If nautical tales we can get up and down.
Such a great show in 1999. Yeah. Same with Family Guy, which they also came in the same year. Yeah. Same year, but different date release. Yep.
SpongeBobbies see SpongeBob himself in all his jellyfish and Krabby Patty flippin' glory.
What a great day.
Who loved that SpongeBob? And his first mate Patrick, full of gleeful angst. I was one of the beautiful people. Now look at me. And Sandy Cheeks, shiver me timbers. You don't want to mess with that lassie.
Don't you dare.
Sandy's my favorite, to be honest. Yeah, I say SpongeBob's my favorite.
Mr. Krabs.
And Sandy and SpongeBob's relationship kind of reminds me of kind of reminds me of our relationship. Yeah, I agree.
Never before, starfish. Never before has a sponge been so absorbing.
To a bikini bottom without putting on a wetsuit.
'Tis 10 splashing episodes of SpongeBob and his swabbiest nautical nonsense and Sponge Buddies, available now on video cassette and DVD.
SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants.
Come on, Winnie, let's get a little closer. Yeah, good idea, Winnie. I mean, good idea, Woody. I accidentally said my name. Happens to the best of us, Winnie.
In Zach's world, things didn't move fast enough.
That's the car I want, Dad. When something's right, you gotta close your eyes for
Ooh.
and hang on.
Never seen this movie before. Yeah, me neither.
Until the rest of the world sees that we're standing still. Hyper time. Whoa. What if you had the power?
Hey, Francesca!
No. Wait. To stop the clock.
How did you do that?
I have no idea.
I just pushed this button.
So, your watch stops time?
No. Look. It's moving. I don't think time has stopped. I think we're just moving really fast.
Zach, man, your watch is off the hook. Who knows next? Oh, Zach, yeah, that's funny, Zach. That's real funny.
What if there was someone?
Have a nice day, Henry. P.
My dad consults on all these super secret projects. I sent his watch.
Who'd do anything to get it back?
I want that watch.
What if the future
What is going on?
You're running around with something that's not supposed to exist.
was in your hands?
I'm officially freaked out now. Now, give me the watch or your hottie here gets it.
Huh. That man doesn't seem very nice. Yeah, he's just as mean as Miss Meanie.
There's gotta be something we can do to stop him. We
Don't start.
Well, you heard the man. Let's go.
We got a problem. The kid is doing something freaky. But you can't stop.
Zach, what are you doing? Finishing what I came here to do.
There's that woman who's always giving me parking tickets.
Oh, we're perfect. Right.
On it.
Ah, that dog.
Is the future.
Wait, PG-13? What? Wait, what's this movie? I don't know, Winnie.
Lucy.
Godmother, has she ever tried the seaweed?
No, she hasn't. Kit.
I haven't seen you since Christmas. Then we have to plan the wedding.
Mimi.
I'm gonna get out of this town, go all the way to California.
How are you gonna get there?
I found a route with the sky. What? You can't go by yourself with some guy. So then come with me.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Ben.
You're taking us to LA?
Yeah, never. Now,
Moving man, let's go already.
take a chance.
Sneaking away in the middle of the night? You're coming back now.
Share the adventure.
I'm not sleeping here.
Make the journey.
Wow, if only we could spend our time in a hotel like that. Yeah, that would have been a lot. That would have been so much fun.
A guy, and that's my car. Something that hasn't been taken over by checks.
Paramount Pictures and Films in
okay.
association with MTV Films. A story about the dreams that drive us.
The same company that aired Beavis and Butthead in the 90s. Yep, that's right, Winnie.
It's me, Mommy. Lucy.
The places life takes us.
What we have is now. And right now, we have each other.
And the friends that go the distance.
We don't have enough money to get the car fixed. I have an idea.
Oh my gosh. If Alexa were here, she would love this moment. Yeah. Britney Spears' cover of I Love Rock and Roll is so lit. I agree. Man, I wish Alexa was here for that. Me too. Yeah, such a great song.
Coming to video cassette and DVD.
Charlotte's Web, one of the most beloved children's movies. Based
Wow.
on the book by E.B. White.
I remember Charlotte's Web.
Own on video
Yeah.
and DVD. And look for Charlotte's Web 2, Wilbur's Great Adventure. A brand new feature-length movie, debuting only on video and DVD. Spring 2003.
Stay tuned for a special presentation after the movie.
All right.
And now we're pleased to bring you our
Yay!
presentation.
Finally, the movie's about to start. Yeah. I'm so excited. All right. Rated PG. Although it was originally PG-13. Yeah, because of smoking and stuff and kissing. No, what's that noise? Oh my god, no. Ah! I told you. Oh, the movie's about to start. Yay, it's starting. All right, let's sit and watch.